Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name's Ed Miles and this is the unique Segura Jayzer Jacket. Okay, let's get into the Segura Jayzer Jacket. So as you can see, it's a brown retro leather jacket, full grain cowhide, absolutely beautiful finish. You can see it's got some unique features, so I'll just run through a few of the external features for you. So running around the top, you've got a neoprene around the neck, keeping it nice and comfortable. Metal snap on the top, YKK zippers as you'd expect. As always with Segura, wherever you've got a metal zipper, you've got the leather behind the zip there. Stops that zip getting hot if you have an accident and burning into your body, so you've got some protection behind those zips as well. Premium quality jacket has premium features like that leather behind the zip. Running down the front again, you've got a pocket here, snap pocket here, zip pocket and another pocket. You've got 4 pockets running just to the top of the jacket and 2 down the bottom. So it gives you that really nice detailed look at the product. Touch of green on the side here just gives you an inkling about what's going on the side. If I do run it around to the side, you can see this beautiful pleating down the side. Absolutely unique from the amazing designers at Segura. The guys at Segura have been doing this a long time and they do unique product that no one else is pulling out. But this looks absolutely stunning, just gives it that touch of quality that you're not going to see from other brands. So that's running all the way down the side. Lovely snap on the wrist, zip and a snap closure, so you've got plenty of adjustment there as well. If I just lift that arm up, you've got adjustment around the bottom as well, and insert leather panels in the side to give you a bit more room around the side so you can move around the bike better. Again, these are real designers creating real products, not just copycat products. These are beautifully designed. Running to the back, large slice of leather to give you the most protection, a little touch of green, again alluding to what's going on the side of the jacket, just keeping that quality feel up. Nice and long at the back so it's going to feel nice and comfortable when you're riding. Back round to the front, if I just undo the snap and the zip, coming down, green wind stopper area, stopping any air going through the zip. It's not a waterproof product, but in those cold summer evenings, you're not going to get any air going through the zip, hitting your heart, cooling you down and cooling the rest of your body down. So again, a nice feature inside. This leather really is beautiful, marks up very nicely and will age beautifully, I'm sure. On the inside again, nice green material, keeping alluding to the outside, tying together the inside to the outside. We're not skimping on materials. YKK zip on the inner pocket there. And on the other side, you've got a pocket on the lining. Behind that, you've got another pocket, so you have got a pocket when you take the lining out or when it's empty. You've always got space to store your products. Wickable lining on the inside, not skimping just because it's the inside of the product. One of the main things of Segura, they design the inside as much as the outside, so all those beautiful details are there. So you've got wickable lining, nice thermal lining for those cold days, take it out in the summer, leather jacket over the top. So that's the 2019 Segura Jayzer Jacket. If you want to subscribe or like down below, or for any more information, please go to bikerheadz.com.